Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can download MovieBox Pro on your Android or smart TV. So this is very easy and very simple. I will show you step by step how you can do it. So for that I will go here, and here you can see the simple and very easy way how to install MovieBox on Android TV by using downloader app. So here's the step 1. Install downloader from Google Play on your Android TV. Here you can see the screenshots. The second one is open this app and allow the following permission. Just toggle this and you will be allowed. The third one is just type 21566, a download code generated through this app, in the input box on the right side of the home page, and then click on go. You can see the screenshots attached. Then the fourth one is just complete this installation. Once the installation complete, just here you just click on install and your installation will be complete and your MovieBox will be installed on your Android TV. So these are the steps you can follow in order to do it. Thank you for watching.